Hi all, welcome to MANOCOOKS and I'm Mano. In today's video, let's learn a very different and yummy pepper, fennel and coconut flavored chicken starter. Yes, you heard it right. It's spicy fried pepper chicken. Please take a note of all the required ingredients for this recipe. And before we start, if you're new here, please do subscribe to MANOCOOKS to learn more such wonderful recipes with tips and tricks, and also please click on the bell icon. Let's get started. For this, I have taken boneless chicken breast. You can try this with boneless thigh pieces as well. Let's cut the chicken in small pieces as you see in the video. Now drain them well and add it to a big bowl. And let's add our marination ingredients. So let's first add ginger garlic paste followed by salt and then pepper powder. Add garam masala. Add thick curd. Mix everything well and you can leave it in fridge for minimum 1 hour to maximum 4 hours. To learn other simple recipes for your kids and family, please refer to the playlist at the top right corner or please check the description box down below this video. Quick tip here, this is a peppery flavored dish, so we don't want any other masalas to overtake the flavor of this dish. Please remember to add freshly powdered pepper powder for the best flavor and fragrance. Now once everything is mixed, let's cover it with a cling wrap or a lid and refrigerate it. This is the best chicken starter and goes very well with any rice items, and it's a must try recipe at your home for its taste, texture and simplicity. After 1 hour, take the marinated chicken pieces and just before frying, let's add corn flour and mix it very well. Quick tip here, please do not skip the corn flour as it forms a nice coating on the chicken pieces and helps in keeping the moisture and tenderness of the chicken intact while we fry. To deep fry the marinated chicken pieces, take a pan and heat oil on medium flame. So the idea here is to fry the chicken on medium flame and not to brown or fry them until crispy. So let's drop the chicken pieces in oil and fry them for 3 to 4 minutes as you see in the video. As chicken pieces are small, they should be fried very quickly. As you see, now the chicken pieces are fried. Take them out in a bowl with a kitchen tissue. Repeat the same process with the remaining chicken pieces as well. This pepper chicken fry is a white beauty and a great starter, and it goes best with any rice item, be it pulao, biryani or curd rice or rasam sadam. Please try this recipe once at home and do comment me down below if you liked it. Now we have fried all the chicken pieces and we are ready for our next step. Let's first take the coconut in a small mixie jar and pulse it for a minute or two, and then add half a cup of water and grind it into thin and fine coconut mixture. Alternatively, you can take half cup of thin coconut milk too. For the other ingredients, I have taken roughly chopped onion, finely chopped ginger and finely chopped garlic and slit green chilies. Before we start the next step, please keep all the items ready and handy as you see in the video. Now for our special flavoring ingredient, let's crush the finely chopped green chili and fennel seeds and keep them aside too. This is not to be missed item as crushing them gives a very nice fragrance to the whole dish. Now let's keep a wide pan and add some oil that we use to fry the chicken. Heat the pan on medium flame. Once oil is hot, add chopped garlic. Power tip here, please do add each item at regular intervals as shown in the video, as that brings out every ingredient's distinct flavor in our final dish. Add chopped ginger, saute it for few seconds and add green chili and add roughly chopped onion. We are just trying to cook the onion until it changes to pink. Now add salt and crushed fennel seeds and green chili and add curry leaves and keep cooking. Once the onion turns pink, it's time to add our fried chicken. Friends, please do try out this recipe and remember to give a thumbs up and comment me down below how it turned out for you. Now add the pepper powder and garam masala and give everything a nice mix. This is a spicy chicken starter, so please adjust the pepper powder according to your spice level. Now reduce the flame to medium-low and add thin coconut puree and mix and let the chicken cook in the coconut milk until it dries out. Remember to reduce the flame to medium-low before we add coconut. The reason we add thin coconut milk or coconut puree here is to balance out the heat from black pepper powder and give a tiny sweetness and enhance the flavor. So please add this without fail. When you see the chicken pieces are well coated with all the items and the milk dries out but the chicken pieces are little wet, it's time to add curry leaves and chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything and turn off the flame. This spicy fried pepper chicken is not to be missed chicken starter to try out at home, and I'm sure this reminds you of pepper chicken starter from your famous restaurants. It's a hit recipe at my home and hope yours too. If you like this video, please do share this video with your friends, foodies and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet to MANOCOOKS, please do subscribe and press on the bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching.